Are you an investor, meticulously planning your financial future with a modest $500, hoping to transform it into something truly significant? You pore over charts, read countless articles, yet a nagging feeling persists. Could your approach be fundamentally flawed? What if the conventional wisdom, the safe bets, are precisely what's holding you back from truly explosive gains? Today, we're diving headfirst into an explosive truth few dare to whisper in traditional finance. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about building wealth in the digital age, because one decision, one overlooked gem, could change everything you perceive about investment opportunities. This isn't just another crypto discussion, it's about uncovering a hidden powerhouse, a potential titan that could redefine your investment journey. But what if the key to unlocking extraordinary wealth isn't hiding, but simply misunderstood? We're here to talk about Telos Crypto, and whether your current $500 investment strategy is steering you away from monumental returns. Is it possible that while others chase fleeting trends, a blockchain designed for unparalleled efficiency, speed, and decentralization has been patiently waiting, ready to deliver an advantage like no other? Our mission is to pull back the curtain on Telos, a project standing out amidst a crowded crypto landscape, making a difference with its radical approach to scalability and real-world utility. You're about to learn why Telos isn't just another coin. It's a foundational technology with the potential to empower a new generation of decentralized applications and, crucially, empower discerning investors like you. By the end of this deep dive, you'll understand Telos's core value proposition, its unique market position, and what truly makes it a formidable contender for a profitable investment. This isn't about fleeting gains. It's about identifying an asset with the inherent power to catalyze significant, long-term portfolio growth. What if I told you the future of decentralized finance demands a different kind of blockchain, one built for unprecedented performance? Let's investigate Telos. What is Telos, and is it a good candidate for your investment? Telos is a high-performance, open-source blockchain renowned for speed, scalability, and robust governance. It leverages delegated proof of stake, DPoS, processing thousands of transactions per second, far surpassing many legacy blockchains. Imagine infrastructure handling global applications without bottlenecks or exorbitant fees. That's Telos. It's also EVM compatible, so developers port existing Ethereum applications easily, benefiting from superior performance and cost efficiency. This dual advantage positions Telos as a formidable Layer 1 competitor. Its decentralization and community-driven governance speak volumes about its long-term viability. However, no investment is without trials. Telos faces intense competition from Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche. Marketing and brand recognition remain hurdles. Despite superior technology, public awareness lags. Market volatility is a significant factor, requiring a long-term perspective. Regulatory uncertainty could introduce unforeseen obstacles. These aren't minor issues, but they also present opportunities for those who recognize its underlying strength. Now, for the burning question, what does the future hold for Telos? Providing precise financial predictions is speculative, but based on its foundations, growing ecosystem, and increasing demand for scalable solutions, we can project a realistic trajectory. Today, Telos trades at a fraction of its true potential. For 2025, if Telos continues its development, expands partnerships, and gains adoption, we foresee a price range of approximately $0.50 to $1. This represents an unprecedented gain of 400% to 900% from current levels, making a $500 investment potentially grow into $2,500 to $5,000. By 2030, with continued innovation, Telos could realistically ascend to between $2 and $5. This transformative potential could see your initial $500 investment blossom into a staggering $10,000 to $25,000, presenting a mind-boggling 1,900% to 4,900% return. These aren't guaranteed, but they reflect explosive growth potential from solid fundamentals addressing critical market needs. But for every opportunity, there are shadows of doubt. Is Telos truly a profitable investment or a high-stakes gamble? Given these projections, let's dissect the pros and cons for investors, especially those eyeing that initial $500. On the pros side, extraordinary returns are undeniable. The high growth percentage predicted could easily turn a modest investment into a substantial sum, offering a pathway to becoming truly wealthy. Telos's technical superiority, speed, scalability, low fees, positions it as a future-proof blockchain, attracting developers and users. Its EVM compatibility lowers barriers for existing projects, fostering ecosystem growth. Furthermore, its decentralized governance provides long-term stability and resilience, instilling confidence. This is an asset for the long haul, for investors seeking a foundational shift. However, a wise investor never ignores the cons. Market volatility is the most significant risk. Crypto markets are unpredictable, and Telos, like any altcoin, will be subject to wild swings. Strong competition means Telos must constantly innovate and market effectively. Adoption risk is present. If users don't flock to Telos, growth could stagnate. Lastly, evolving regulatory landscape could introduce unforeseen restrictions. These are legitimate concerns. Take full control of your crypto with Ledger Live. Manage thousands of coins and NFTs securely in one place. Buy, swap, stake, and grow your portfolio with ease. Trusted by 7+ million users, Ledger Live keeps your assets safe by integrating with Ledger hardware wallets for maximum security. Say goodbye to third-party risks and hello to true financial freedom. Download Ledger Live now. Click the link in the description to get started. So, how is this conflict resolved for the discerning investor? The key message: Telos represents a high-potential yet high-risk investment. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic play for those with long-term vision and tolerance for market fluctuations. The resolution lies in thoughtful due diligence, understanding both its explosive potential and its challenges. For a $500 investment, Telos could be a powerful way to gain exposure to an innovative blockchain with a strong competitive edge. It's about making an informed decision, allocating capital you are comfortable with, and then holding through market noise. It's about recognizing that standing out, making a difference in your investment strategy, often means looking beyond the obvious. This isn't about blind faith, it's about calculated opportunity, understanding that one decision, made with conviction, can indeed change everything. But before you embark on this journey, understand that knowledge is your greatest asset. If this deep dive into Telos Crypto has sparked your curiosity, ignited your investment ambitions, or simply armed you with invaluable insights, then don't let this knowledge be a fleeting moment. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exclusive crypto content, and join our community of forward-thinking investors. Staying updated with the latest blockchain insights isn't just a recommendation. It's a necessity in this rapidly evolving digital frontier. Your financial future deserves informed decisions, and we're here to provide the cutting-edge analysis you need. Don't miss out on the next big opportunity. Become part of a community that consistently seeks the explosive truth behind the headlines. Crypto taxes don't have to be a nightmare. Coinly calculates your taxes in under 20 minutes. No spreadsheets, no headaches. Sync your crypto assets with one click, whether you're trading, staking, or using DeFi. Import your trades, track your portfolio, and generate ready-to-file tax reports effortlessly. Join thousands who trust Coinly to simplify their crypto taxes. Make tax season stress-free. Click the link in the description to get started with Coinly today. The information contained herein is for entertainment purposes only. Nothing herein shall be construed to be financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. The content of this video is solely the opinions of the channel owner, who is not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies poses considerable risk of loss. Please use your best judgment when dealing with cryptocurrencies, and don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. The channel does not guarantee any particular outcome.